Go ahead.
You're gonna be on
They're doing Raining Blood on medium. They're not too good at Guitar Hero either, so.
I am. Not Brittany.
What?
Nicole, what side am I on?
I don't know.
You're on the right.
Hold on, we'll find out in a minute.
No, you're not.
Okay.
Right.
Raining Blood. There we
What
go.
side were you on?
Hold on.
Joey, what side am I on?
Brittany.
I'm on the right.
They're doing good so far.
It doesn't matter, you have the same notes.
I know.
Oh.
Man,
Why did I make sure I was looking at the right side?
Go, Caitlin. Oh yeah, Caitlin.
I'll beat you up. Ah!
Go, Caitlin. Go, Brittany.
I like this music.
Go, girl.
This sounds just
Dun
like
dun 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 na 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 na.
Caitlin!
This is on medium.
Want to do an extra now?
No.
Hard?
Yeah. Dun 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 dun. Oh my God, it's so slow.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Turn it up, I can't even hear it. That's why I probably can't play really good. There we go.
Not too loud. My mom's sleeping. That's so much easier than the finger rolls. You guys suck. Anybody want to give it up?
No. I don't trust that bad.
I'm guessing they're going to be under 50,000.
I can be Caitlin for you, Brittany.
I'll be Nicole for you, Caitlin.
I don't hear you pressing anything, Brittany.
That's really awkward. Nicole, my aunt texted me.
Your aunt, Renee?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
What'd she say?
She's like, what's up?
Be like, hello?
So it was Brian.
Give me.
You'd be like, is this Brian?
Get me! Alright, you can stop. Take it off now.
Okay.
Oh my God, this is so open.
Can we do a different song after this?
Me and Nicole are playing next. Rain Blood on hard.
You guys played 2 songs in a row?
No, we didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, you did.
What song?
That was when Caitlin was like in the bathroom or something.
This song. Something said,
You shut up.
Most of you are, actually.
It's not working.
what?
Yeah! Hit it!
Shut up! What side are you guys loud?
I'm on this side.
What side?
This one that I'm jiggling.
I don't like this song.
Let's see who won.
Me.
Don't be Pete.
Here. I don't like
Was
this
that's Tommy's guitar, and the cat threw up on it.
song.
Let's see. Oh yeah.